Hello students, now let us see the problem number 146. Some of the students they asked from me this problem. So this is quite easy problem, already we discussed in the theory classes students, in the lecture also. But let us try to understand what is the meaning of this. The electronegativity difference between nitrogen fluorine is greater than the nitrogen and hydrogen. Okay, nitrogen and hydrogen. At dipole moment of NH3 is greater than that of NF3 0.2. This is because, okay, let us try to understand. See student, if you talk about the NH3 structure, so how is the NH3 structure? There is the lone pair electrons are there. Here is the 3 hydrogen atoms are there like this. Similarly, if you talk about the NF3 student, NF3, so N is here is lone pair electron is there student, but here is the fluorine is there. This is a fluorine again, and this is the fluorine. So what you are able to find student, where the electron, this is the measure of the dipole moment is the measure of the polarity of the bond. So which is the more electronegativity, there will the vector will go. So for this one lone pair electron, this will be the in this direction. There is no problem here. And another is hydrogen and nitrogen. If you are comparing student, so nitrogen is more electronegative, so that is vector of the dipole moment go in that direction. Here is also that direction, and this is also that direction. So what you will find, that is resultant is the same direction. So additive dipole moment, this is what student, additive dipole moment. This is what student, additive dipole moment. So it is additive dipole moment is like that. Up here you see in the compare to nitrogen and fluorine. So fluorine is more electronegative than nitrogen. So here this will go in the dipole moment in this direction. This dipole moment is this direction, and this dipole moment will be in this direction. So this will be what student, subtractive. This is the subtractive dipole moment. This is the subtractive dipole moment. This is the subtractive dipole moment, right? So subtractive dipole moment, when you are talking about subtractive, so subtractive dipole moments means this is the different direction student. So subtractive dipole moment means it is less than, it will be less than NH3, okay, and it is more than NF3. So where where you have to understand student, that is dipole moment is the vector quantity. Here opposite vectors are there, so you never know, that is 3 minus 1, that is the here will be less, but here is all are the same direction in NH3, so the dipole moment will be high. So let us check out the answer. In NH3 as well NF3, atomic dipole and bond dipoles are opposite direction. No, not opposite. In NH3 it is the one direction, all are same direction. NF3 is opposite direction, so both is as well word is not correct. In NH3 the atomic dipole and bond dipole are in the opposite direction, whereas in the NF3 are in the same. NF3 is opposite direction student. See, one is this clockwise and another is top and another is bottom. So this is wrong. In NH3 as well NF3, atomic dipole and bond dipole are in the same direction. No student, this is not same. Here you see this is the same direction, but here in the opposite direction. Last one, in NH3 atomic dipole and bond dipole are the same direction. Yeah, correct. Atomic dipole and bond all are the same direction, whereas NF3 these are the opposite direction. Yeah, correct one. So option number 4 is the correct option students. You can read out the slides also. NH3 has higher dipole moment than the NF3 because structure they have given. In NH3, NCl3 they are going in the same direction, but NF3 it is coming the downside, but here you see it is upside. So all resultant is the one direction, and here is the resultant is different direction. So in NH3 orbital dipole, due to the lone pair is in the same direction as well as resultant dipole moment of the NH bond, whereas in NF3 the orbital dipole in the direction of opposite to the resultant dipole moment. So that this is what the answer is, option number 4. Thank you so much for watching friends.